Linking your bank account to Shift4 is essential for managing transactions and receiving payments. Follow these steps to complete the process smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Shift4 account. Access your Shift4 account by visiting the website and entering your login credentials. Ensure you have administrative privileges to make changes to your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu on your dashboard. Click on Payment Settings to access the section where you can manage your payment methods and bank account information. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank account information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and account type, checking your savings. Double check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information once more. If everything is correct, click on the Save or Confirm button to finalize the linking process. You may receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account should be linked to your Shift4 account, allowing for seamless transactions. If you encounter any issues, refer to Shift4 support resources for assistance.